1,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check out the Hooray for Rainy Days promo of TAC Bingo Party. All right. It's a raffle promo. The grand raffle draw will be on August 31, 2024. There, of course, at the AC. And you will get the chance to win cash prizes, sacks of rice, appliances, and a whole lot more. All right. So be part of it. Join now. It's ongoing. And again, the grand raffle is going to be on August 31, 2024. The TAC Hooray for Rainy Days promo ongoing. Okay, visit TAC now or Bingo Party or Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive, Olongapo City. Okay. And time once again for some of the latest piece of news and update from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. Yesterday was the flag raising ceremony of the SBMA in front of the administration building, of course, Building 229. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino witnessed the static display of the new firearms of the Law Enforcement Department. The demonstration was held during the flag raising ceremony in front of the administration building. The SWAT team showed off the new Taurus T4 rifles procured by the SBMA to enhance the capability of the frontline law enforcers and improve firepower during conduct of operations. All right. So they went on display yesterday. Yours truly was the master of ceremonies. They have the new rifles, new gears, all right, complete gears, plus the new sniper. Siyempre SWAT team ito eh. May kasamang sniper, complete equipment and uniform. Galing, yeah, okay. It was a great display of firepower for the SWAT team of the SBMA LED. All right. And also we would like to welcome back the SBMA director, our SBMA director, Ted Del Rosario. He's back. Okay. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino sworn him in. Okay. He sworn in Teodoro Del Rosario as acting member of the Board of Directors at the chairman's office of the administration building. Also yesterday, right after the flag raising ceremony, all right, Director Del Rosario will represent the private sector in the SBMA's board. Okay, so those are the some of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport for you. Okay. And right about now, here's a couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown, of course. Okay, and check out the Our Home style sale. Okay, it's ongoing. All right, check it out. The you'll earn extra 5% off, 10% off, 15% off, and 20% off at Our Home. Okay, get the chance to avail of these great discounts at Our Home, located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, for more details, visit the store. Save big on regular price furnitures with the special discounts of up to 20% off with minimum purchase, 5% off 50,000 worth of purchase, 10% off for 100,000, 15% off for 150,000, and 20% off for 200,000 worth of purchase. Visit Our Home, once again, third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Also ongoing is the luggage sale. Get special discounts of up to 50% off August 1 to 31, plus the buy one, get one offer. Your everyday store, SM Store, luggage sale. And the P-Pop Group New ID, all right, will be showcasing their debut mall tour, all right, August 17, 2024, Saturday at 5 p.m. at the ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay, so check it out. For those who are big fans of P-Pop, the P-Pop Group New ID. Yan, bagong ID. Similar with pag nawala yung ID mo, syempre kuha kang bago. But it's the P-Pop Group that we're talking about here, okay? All right, and the big bag sale also ongoing, August 1 to 31 at your everyday store, at the SM Store, up to 50% off on selected items, okay? And Goldilocks congratulates our athletes for a job well done. Ito yung free promo nila, JAB, J-A-B. Job well done. Free Goldilocks Classic Pulveron, 10 pieces from August 9 to 15. Oh, you better hurry. Hanggang August 15 na lang. Okay, so visit the Goldilocks at the SM stores, SM super malls. Okay. And Mitsubishi X-Force will be on display from August 12 to 18, okay, at the SM Supermall, okay, SM Central, that is. So check it out. I think whenever cars are on display at the mall, you can schedule also a drive test, right? Okay. And Tulong Express, Operation Tulong Express is open for all of your donations para sa mga affected communities of Typhoon Karina. Visit the Opte booth, as we call them, Operation Tulong Express booth at all SM malls, okay? Shop and Explore promo is from August 1 to 29. Via your SM Advantage card, you will get the chance to win Day Pass for 2 to Sinagtala. Shop and Explore at the SM Store Olongapo. Also ongoing is the Rainy Day Essentials promo, up to 70% off on selected items. Selected Rainy Essentials, of course, August 1 to 15 at SM Central. The Women's Denim Sale, up to 50% off, August 1 to 30 at your everyday store, of course, the SM Store. Also, in addition, Babies Wear Sale, up to 50% off on special deals, plus free baby bib. This is August 1 to 31. Babies Wear Sale. All right, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, and as I mentioned a while ago, you guys are invited to join the our radio contest. Yan, sa mga gustong sumali, you guys can call me now, 0910-6909-501. Okay? And sa mga gusto ring tumawag via Messenger, pwede rin naman. Okay? All right. So yeah, you guys call me now and you'll get the chance to win the free 12 inches pizza from Sam's Pizza with the two flavors, dual flavors that is, as their promo is ongoing, the payday special, payday sale special at Sam's Pizza this coming August 15. Oh, this coming Thursday na, malapit na, no? Ayan, okay. So we need somebody to call. You guys can call me now. The phone line is open. Let me check it for you. Ayan, okay. All right, we have somebody calling. Hello? 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 Ayaw mag-connect. Hello, caller? Ayan, okay. Maybe try again, okay? Let me repeat the number for you. 0910-6909-501. Ayan, we have somebody on the line. Hello, caller? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ayun. Pare ko, can you hear me loud and clear? Medyo mahina yung dating dito eh. How about yours?
Hello.
Ayun, malinaw. Okay, ayan. Pare ko, you gonna join the radio contest?
Yes.
Yun. Pero syempre, bago ka sumali, bago ka mag-official entry sa radio contest natin, I need to get your name muna. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
Okay lang kunin yung pangalan mo, ha? Walang naghahanap sa na na pinangakuan mo ng kasal, ha?
Wala.
What's your name, pare ko? Anong pangalan mo? Hello? Anong pangalan mo, pare ko? Glenn. Ayan. Can I get a full name? Dahil ipapasa ko to dun eh. Alam mo, na dun sa sasalihan mo ng contest eh. Ayan. Glenn Romano. Wow. Tunog artista yung pangalan, pare, ha? Malamang mukhang artista din, ano, pare?
Yes.
Yun. Sige, mamaya may tanong tayo dyan tungkol sa usapang artista. Sige, pero kailangan, before I declare you the winner, kailangan sagutin mo muna yung mga tanong ko para sa ating Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Radio Contest. Handa ka na, pare?
Yes.
Ayun, handa na si paring Glenn. Okay. Yung unang tanong muna. Okay, ano yung title ng promo?
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale.
Sam's Pizza Payday Sale is correct. Ayan. Okay, that's okay, 1 point na, pare. Kailan gaganapin to? Kailan?
August 15, 2024.
August 15, 2024, which falls on a Thursday, ano? Thursday to, no, pare? Yeah, yes. Thursday. Okay, you're almost there. So, paano yung promo? Get 2 flavors.
Get 2 in 1 flavors of 12 inches pizza for only 299 pesos.
Mura na, no, pare? No? 299 lang, no?
Oh.
2 flavors, tapos 12 inches pa. Parang yung
Siyempre.
parang yung sa 12 inches. Ang haba, di ba?
Awag.
I mean, malapad yung pizza. Oh, malapad. Tapos, can you give me yung yung mga flavors na pwedeng i-combine, pare ko?
Yung Hawaiian and beef mushroom, pepperoni and beef mushroom, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom, pepperoni cheesy bacon mushroom.
Ayan. Alam ko favorite mo dyan, pare, kung ikaw yung papipiliin.
Pepperoni.
Oh, sabi ko na eh. Pipiliin mo talaga dyan yung may pepperoni. Nasa tunog mo yung pipili ng ganun eh. One last thing to do for you, pare ko, before I declare you the winner. You're almost there. Can you mention all 3 branches kung saan pwedeng ma-avail tong payday special sale na to?
Sa Sam's Pizza, Magsaysay, Barreto, at saka sa Castillas.
Yay! You got it right! Narinig mo ba yung palakpakan? Hindi mo narinig. Dito lang sa loob ng studio may palakpakan eh. Congratulations sa'yo, pare. You're the winner. Ayan.
Thank you.
Okay. Additional question na lang. Meron bang
Yes.
meron ka bang mga gustong batiin or i-promote o
Binabati ko ngayon yung lahat ng nagtatrabaho sa SBM at yung MIS department.
mga
Masisipag na nagtatrabaho ngayon.
Oo, balita ko nga pag taga-SBMA masipag eh. Nandiyan ka ba ngayon, pare?
Naman, para sa bayan.
Sige. Going back to the question kanina, kasi traditional question to dito sa 89.5 eh. 'Di ba? Pag tumatawag ka, hindi ka nakikita ng mga nakikinig, naririnig ka lang, boses ka lang. Kaya gusto nilang malaman sino yung artista look-alike ni Glenn Romano, pare. Artista look-alike.
Yes.
Paquito Diaz.
Naman.
Bumubugbog kay FPJ yan, pare
Idol yan, Paquito tsaka. Medyo kagad kay Romy Diaz.
Sige. Okay. Congratulations to you, pare ko. You're the winner. Wag mong kalimutan. Ang claiming is on August 15. Ang claiming sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay. Alright?
Yeah, anytime po ba yan? Anytime.
I think so. Oo. Pero
Okay.
tingnan mo na rin sa page nila kung ano oras yung start ng payday sale special. Yan.
you.
August 15. Bring your ID because I will forward your name.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Alright. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po.
Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our winner of the Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Special Radio Contest, si Kuya Glenn Romano. Alright, galing-galing ha. Paquito Diaz of SBMA, sabi niya. Congratulations. Okay, so moving on, we will now press play on the next requested song. Here's Paul Sapiera, originally from Olongapo City. But he's in the US now, okay? Dati, nung mga time na hinahanap niyo siya, hindi niyo siya nakikita. Matagal siyang nasa Hong Kong dahil he had a gig there. in one of the gig places there. Mainstay siya dun eh. Yun. Pero after the pandemic, nakapunta na siya sa US to join his family. Yung anak niya si Easy Mill, yan, alam mo naman naka-base talaga originally doon sila and his other family members. Okay, so Paul Sapiero now with his song from 2000s. This is Iniibig Kita, 895 Subic Bay Radio.